everyone, I'm Miss Yvette and today we will be making our very own lava lamps. But first, let's get into the science behind it. Have you ever heard of the expression, oil and water don't mix? Well, now you have. Oil and water are insoluble in one another, meaning they can't dissolve in one another. No matter how much you mix, they will never combine. Let's get started so you can see what I'm talking about. For this experiment, you will need a clear empty container with a lid, translucent cooking oil, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer, some water, a stir stick, and an empty cup. We will begin by filling the container 3/4 of the way to the top with oil. In a cup of water, we will mix some drops of food coloring, and stir. Then we're going to want to pour this mixture into the container with oil. Did you notice anything? We can see that the water and oil don't mix. But do you know why all the oil is at the top? The oil has a lower density than water. Density is a measurement of how tightly a material is packed together. An object that is heavy and compact, small, will have a higher density than an object that is light and large. Because water has a higher density than oil, the oil floats to the top. The final step to finish our super cool lava lamp would be to drop a tablet into the mixture and observe the colorful reaction. If you want there to be less fizzing, you could break the tablet into smaller pieces and add them slowly. Isn't that neat? Thank you for following along. I hope you enjoyed this fun experiment. In December 2022, the Anaheim Public Library was awarded the If Then Grant, built on the mantra, if we support a woman in STEM, then she can change the world. The If Then initiative is designed to activate a culture shift among young girls to open their eyes to STEAM careers by funding and elevating women in STEM as role models, convening cross-sector partners to illuminate the importance of STEM everywhere, and by inspiring girls with a better portrayal of women in STEM. Furthermore, during this grant period, we will create hands-on learning activities and exhibit banners highlighting women from the If Then collection whose work intersects with the STEM and social justice fields. Each banner includes a photo and title, as well as an inspirational quote, STEM work details and social justice influence details in both English and Spanish. All banners are on display at the Haskett Library. Lastly, this project was made possible with the support of the Little Hill Philanthropies and the Association of Science and Technology Centers, ASTC.